Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here, and thanks for watching. It's Monday, 1st of August. Can you believe it? The 1st of August, goodness me. I thought what we'd do is just have a quick update as to how I see things progressing through this week. I know many of you are looking to get some hay made, get some crops ripened during the course of this week. Things looking a little bit messy, got to be honest with things at the moment. They're looking a little bit messy, particularly as we get through in towards the middle of the week. Let me just show you the charts for today. We've got a front that's just hanging around through Scotland, northern England, down through Wales and southwest England during the course of Monday. It's bringing low cloud, it's bringing drizzle. We've certainly got it here in Wales at the moment, bringing drizzle to these western parts of Wales. I think more eastern parts of the country though look as if they will stay dry through this afternoon. There is just an outside chance of a rogue shower because it is going to be hot and dry through these areas, through the Midlands, North East England, East Anglia, southern parts of England. Much fresher conditions have already arrived though towards the west. Now, as we go through the course of tonight, the overall impression that the model's giving looks to be reasonable enough in that it's trying to develop, look, this period of heavy rain across Scotland, northern England. Now watch what happens overnight. That kind of tracks its way northwards during the course of the night, and I think it's got its ideas about right. The problem is that I think there could be some pretty heavy thundery rain just lingering around in this area through central and eastern Scotland, southern Scotland, down through the Midlands, down through northern England during the course of tonight and into the early part of tomorrow morning. Now, got another model that I think picks up better on this. If I can find it and just show it to you. Where are we? Yep, that's the one. This is the Met Office model for the period running through today. Look, here's the time up here in the top left-hand corner. Now, look at this rain that they're developing across northern England. That seems to be about right to me. Look, they're making it heavier as it goes into the southern parts of Scotland, up through northwest England and through parts of Wales as well. And that does seem to be a believable scenario for this. Look, that's the early hours of the morning on Tuesday. And they're bringing this heavy rain through eastern Scotland, northern England, down through Wales still by the early part of tomorrow morning, and into tomorrow late morning it's really then clearing away from eastern Scotland, northern parts of England. And I think this is probably nearer the way this is going to be developing. Incidentally, just want to point some stuff out as well across southern and eastern England. Look what the model does. It's actually trying to bring some lower cloud through the Midlands, through central southern parts of England during the early hours of Tuesday morning into the early part of Tuesday morning. This is drizzly little bits of rain that the model's trying to pick up on. I wouldn't go too over the top on this, but it looks as if it could just dampen things off. Eastern parts of the Midlands, central southern England particularly at risk of this. I think eastern East Anglia, the far southeast, probably stays dry, and here's that dry, fresher weather into more western parts of the country. So we've got that to consider during the course of the next few days. Now let's just go through the charts again for the next few days into the remainder of Tuesday. So looks as if low pressure is still there. Look, here are the showers developing on Tuesday afternoon across the Midlands and northern England. One or two of those could be quite heavy at times, but notice East Anglia and the far southeast, three of these showers drier out towards the west. Through the week itself, well, we've got this slack flow that's around during the course of Wednesday. Again, this may trigger some showers anywhere across the country during Wednesday, and lower pressure moving into the west look on Thursday. I think Wednesday, again, as I said, those heavy showers look like they are possible for those more eastern and central parts of the country, and then through Thursday low pressure really starts to take control. We're going to have some fronts edging their way eastwards during Thursday, and really I think this sets the pattern then for the end of the week, which looks as if we go into a fresher westerly type flow. I think it'll bring some showers. I don't think those showers will ever be particularly widespread or really heavy. Could be some heavier ones I suppose across western Scotland and Western Ireland, but elsewhere it looks as if the showers will tend to be more scattered. I think as we get through into the weekend, so we could find this low trying to bring in more in the way of persistent showers, particularly through later part of Friday into Saturday. Look as the low moves in, and by Sunday I think we're all into sunny spells and the scattering of showers. So it's a bit of a messy week. It's not But I think Tuesday, Wednesday look to be the days when we could get some thundery showers breaking out across England, eastern and central parts of England and eastern Wales. For the west, always fresher and brighter. And then as we get through later on in the week, so we find the showery conditions going back to what you would call more normal showery conditions with a fresher westerly flow. Most of the showers are always towards northern and western parts of Scotland and Ireland, less so towards the south. I hope that forecast hasn't been too rambling for you. It probably gives you the impression that it is hard to pin down the detail just at the moment, and that's about right. But hopefully it's useful for you. Thanks for watching.